Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, we are going to make Mama Meatball's potato salad.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
This recipe is Mama Meatballs, but I'm going to add just a little bit extra flair to it. She might get mad and come after me with a spoon, you know what I'm saying? You gotta watch out them Italian moms with those wooden spoons. I'm a survivor, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm gonna make a nice little small batch. Usually I do in the 5-pound bags of potatoes. We don't need all that, you know what I'm saying? So get yourself 4 medium to large sized potatoes, okay? I boiled 5 eggs, some celery, we're gonna use some onion, a half of a dill pickle, some mayonnaise, mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, salt, and black pepper. Easy as 1, 2, 3. That's right, I say tree, because you're from South Philly, you don't say tree, you say tree, you know what I'm saying? All right, since you know what I'm saying, I know what you're saying, let's get started. Make sure you got a bowl, eh? So anyway, we're gonna get our potatoes. These are boiled, they're cooled off. Make sure they're nice and cooled off, okay? We're just gonna cut them in cubes, okay? I'm gonna cut that in half, and then boom, see? Boom. And they're nice, see that? Nice little bite size. Yeah, nice little bite size. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. If I say here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go. Where'd you go? Here I go. Here you go. Where we go? Everybody goes where I go. You go, we go, eh? 2 celery stalks. Probably not gonna put it all in because I cut back the potatoes, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna make a big batch for you. I'm saying, you know what? Not everybody makes a big batch. You know? So anyway, you cut. You wanna make sticks out of this celery. Chop it in half. Chop the halves in half. And then chop this in half. And then you're gonna pull it together and run your knife through it. So we're gonna use this 1 stalk and a half. After you do that, just run your knife right through it. So the 4 medium to large sized potatoes, a stalk and a half of celery, chopped nicey nice. You know what I'm saying? Dicey, dicey, nicey, nicey. Oh! Let's wipe up your cutting board and get ready for the onion. We're not gonna use a lot of onion on it, unless you like a lot of onion. With the onion, we're gonna have a nice little small sizes, so when you put your cuts in them, make sure they're close together like that, see? Boom. Boom. You don't have to go all the way back, because we're not using a lot of onion. Okay? And then straight through the middle, like that. Boom. And now just cut the onion. Boom. You can do more onion, you can do less onion. It's up to you again. But I just did a couple slices, you know, just eyeball. Don't throw it all in. Eyeball. In case you cut too much, boom, bang, you know? This is where I kick it up a little bit, all right? I like to add a pickle. If I do 5 pounds of potatoes, use the whole pickle. Since I used 4, I'm using a half a pickle. Probably won't even use all the pickle. But before you go and get crazy and chop it all up, you want to chop it in half, make spears, okay? All these seeds, take them out, okay? Put your knife right there, take out the seeds. Come right up, boom. All the seeds off, make sure you get the seeds off. That is not personal preference. Trust me when I say that. Because if you do not and you leave the seeds in, what's going to happen, your potato salad is going to get watery. Nobody likes watery potato salad, huh? Uh-huh. Anyway, let's get a cutting, all right? You want to cut them in sticks? Because we're going to dice these, okay? What Chef Ann say? Plank, sticks, dices. Plank, sticks, dices. Plank, stick, dices. That's what she says. Hey! All right. Now with the eggs, when they're done boiling, what you want to do is shock them in cold water because this shell just comes right off. Look at that. See that? Just comes right off. See how nice it comes out? Look at that. See that? The hardest part about making these salads is waiting the 2 hours. That's my rule of thumb. 2 hours in the fridge before you can eat them. I mean, come on. Chop up your egg. Now you just run your knife through it. You want them nice and dicey with the eggs. Okay? You really don't want a really big piece of egg. The only big piece of anything I want is potato in my potato salad. You know what I mean? Because then you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I mean, if everything's big, you get. What are you doing? What are you doing? You eating like a pig, like a gavone. So now it's time for the seasonings. You want to get a nice pinch of salt. Easy with the salt because you always could go back later. You know what I'm saying? Or add a little black pepper. You don't have to put the black pepper. That's me. But what I will recommend is white pepper. Easy on the white pepper. Because for some reason, when you put white pepper in any salad with mayonnaise, it kind of just brings it together and makes it nice and smooth. You know what I'm saying? So put a nice little sprinkle. The reason why I put it in my hand is a little bit and boom, you know what I mean? You don't want to overdo it. I'm going to give a nice little sprinkle of onion powder. Alright? Nice little sprinkle of garlic powder. Now this is where my mom might get mad. Let's give it a little shake. Some yellow mustard. It's actually called salad mustard. If it's called salad mustard, that's why you put it in your salad. Anyway. Now this mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise, if you got it in your ShopRite, Acme, or wherever you shop, you gotta get it. Way better than Hellmann's. Way better. This is nice and creamy, forget about it. So with the mayonnaise, you put a little bit at a time, okay? A little bit at a time. Unless you want to kill yourself with the mayonnaise, then dump it all in. What do you want me to tell you? Now when you fold it, you want to fold, don't mix. Just remember, the potatoes are soft. Alright, so you just kind of want to fold everything in. Boom. See that? Another little dash of mayonnaise, you know what I'm saying? If you think it needs it, but remember, because the potatoes are going to suck up some of that mayonnaise. Okay, so since that, I'm going to put another little pinch of salt. Okay? I'm going to hit it with the rest of this black pepper. White pepper, excuse me. Another little bit. I'm just giving a nice little boom, because you know what I mean? Just want to make sure we're all easy with this onion powder. Make sure you got the small holes, okay? Just a little thing. Alright? And a little more garlic powder, and that's it. Again, with the small holes, because if not, boom, bang, you're going to kill yourself. Hey guys, on Facebook, YouTube, check out the Wise Guy Show. Forget about it. Freddy the Fireman, Jumpin' Gennaro. They'll have you going. It's a great show. Check them out, guys. Now that is potato salad. My rule of thumb is what? 2 hours. That's right. Cover it and stick it in the fridge for 2 hours. 2 hours later. Okay, nobody complain about it. I put parsley on top. It looks good, it tastes good, it gives it an extra oomph. Because a wise man once said, don't put anything on a plate if it's not edible. You know what I'm saying?
So let me ask you this question. Can you eat this? If you're gonna put something on the plate, make sure you can eat it.
Let's give it a test. The crunch of the onions, and the pickles, the mustard, Guys, let me tell you, huh? Try this. You're gonna love it. I'm telling you, It's Mama Meatballs 2.0. Take it to the next level. I'm telling you guys, if you want to leave those yolks in there, leave the yolks in. It's okay. Me, personally, I'm not crazy about it. But if you want it, you keep it. With that being said, if you like what you saw, hit like or subscribe. Don't forget to turn that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a new video. Also, like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. And if you're cooking with Frankie Meatball, then you're rocking out with PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band mother to rock. And I'm going to tell you what, email me your address and I'll send you a sticker, a sticker, a sticker, a sticker. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.